Is my brightness too high? Is that too much? I feel like low lighting be a little catfishy. Okay, so hey guys, it's AlexandriaLarice and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing I should probably say hi. So POV, it hasn't taken me a year and a half to make another video, or it's just been a year, a couple of months, because I made it in January. So POV, it's only been a week since y'all seen me on my last video. Okay, so now that that's out the way, hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AlexandriaLarice. Today I'm going to be doing first impressions on the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I've been wanting this for a minute and I finally got it. And the Born This Way multi-use concealer in the shade Honey, and the foundation is in the shade Cadiz. I'm opening it. Okay. Excited. I feel like it's gonna be too light, but we're gonna work with it because we already here. I already did my eyeshadow off camera. I just want to just do an eye, like, you know, a little something something. Still don't know if I like it, so bear with me. Okay, so let's get into it. Hopefully my camera don't cut off. I'm charging other batteries right now, so hopefully this just give me some time. Give me time, please. I feel like this is good. We're gonna keep it here, whatever. So my skin is already prepped. I washed and cleansed it and all that and moisturized. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. And I'm just going to do what I usually do. So I'm going in with my Fenty Soft Matte Pro Filter primer, which I love. It feels like skincare. I'm not a fan of like the silicone feeling. So yeah. And I'm just going to work that in. And now I'm gonna set with my setting spray. And I actually do this with every step because I just find that my foundation lasts longer that way. I'm gonna apply my foundation with a brush. Turn that sound off my computer because I want to be rude. And I'm gonna spray my brush too. This is a TikTok thing I learned, but it worked. It worked. Oh, dropped out when I opened it, so I'm just gonna drop it on my face. Oh, this might be the right color. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Okay. I find that, why are all the matte foundations like super liquidy? What is that about? Okay, I need a mirror because I need to see how it looks in real life versus camera, because in real life it looks pretty good, but on camera it's looking kind of questionable. Don't mind my hair. I'm stretching my wash and go because I have shrinkage. Oh my god. I swear in real life it don't look like this. I swear. So we're gonna go with it. But first impression, the coverage. Yeah. And usually I don't like to put foundation on my forehead because all I end up doing is over bronzing my forehead anyway. But yeah, see, it matches my arm, my arms and stuff. Like, I'm truly baffled because I'm doing like a time lapse on my phone and I'm not looking this casket ready, I swear. And even in my mirror, it don't look like that. That's crazy, but we move on. Yeah, it's giving casket on this camera and it's driving me nuts. But in real life, it looks so good. Like in real life, this is a perfect match. This annoying because in real life, let me show you. Even on my camera, I'm just gonna keep going. On my phone, it look good. So far so good. So far, this foundation 10 out of 10. It's super lightweight. Like, I don't feel like I have anything on. So yeah, I clearly forgot how to film, so please bear with me. Okay, now we're gonna highlight with the Born This Way concealer. Or not, because this is basically my skin tone. So we're not highlighting, but we are concealing the area. So that's what we're doing. And I forgot to wet a beauty blender, so I'll be right back. This concealer dries so fast, and I just spent a lot of time trying to put another battery in my camera, so we gotta work fast. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're building out concealer now. Typically I do not cream contour, so I'm acting brand new on this channel today. I'm acting super brand new. Usually I use bronzer, powder bronzer. And I'm probably doing this because I'm kind of freaked out that I look so light on camera. Okay, so yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I'm about to use my Beauty Bakerie powder, pinch of powder, flour. It's pinch of flour, setting powder in the shade Plantain, aka Caramel. They should have just named it Caramel because I don't know what Plantain they look like. Go ahead and work that in. This is very white. very, very white. Okay. Okay. I like to go inside of my nose with it. Here. And a smidge on the forehead. Literally a smidge. But I'm gonna work it in. Like literally just work it in. I'm gonna go in with my FitMe loose powder in the shade 35 Deep, and I'm just gonna press that into my face. Y'all see how I'm like mixing high-end and low-end products? That's the kind of girl I am. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bronze my face. I'm gonna start with the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in Milk Chocolate. I've been using this powder since I started wearing makeup and since I started actually contouring and stuff, like the real deal. And she has not failed me, because a little goes a long way and you're not gonna get muddy fast with. So next I'm using the Fenty Beauty Stal'kr foundation. Real cute. My camera keeps cutting off. I think I'm gonna upload this video anyway. And then with the my lighting's gonna get better over time, guys, I promise. One of the girls told me to put concealer on my lips. Just to mute them a bit. So that's what I'm gonna do before putting on my lip gloss. Even though that could make a really cute nude later on. So this is one of the Fenty Beauty cream glosses in Mauve Wives. One of my faves. They say sis be using this. That's what they say, child. It did kind of mute my lips a little bit. Do I need something like more glossy? Yes or no? This is hot pink though. Okay. You're taking it too far. Wait. Cause it's just like a lip oil type of thing in Cosmic Click from ColourPop. But I think she's making points. Maybe I should do a little bit more Mauve Wives on top, just to tone her down a bit. Okay. I think I like it. I think I'm gonna keep it here. We're gonna keep it here. Okay, so I'll be back because y'all need to see the entire look. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. Child. Yeah. So I think that this looks really good. Okay, so I'm not gonna do, obviously I'm not doing a wear test or anything on this foundation, but what I have to say about the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation, I understand the hype and I really like it. This is the perfect match for me actually. So if you are like a, what's the way to, Maybelline, sorry, let me get my hands on my head. So if you are Maybelline like 335-ish or 330, I think I usually am. I can't find it. But if you are usually that shade, Cadiz would be perfect for you. They also have some in-between shades that they just added. So that could probably be your summer shade, or if you are just a little, like maybe a shade darker than me, that'd be perfect for you. Yeah, definitely. I feel like this is gonna be another one of my go-tos. Another one of my favorites is the Maybelline Superstay. So I definitely think that this will be something that I'm gonna be reaching for. It's matte, but it's not like Sahara Desert matte. So I guess you could say like a velvet matte. Is that the right term? Yeah. I really like the finish. As y'all can see, like my skin looks like skin. It's not giving cakey. I'll get a little closer. Like, do y'all see that? Yeah. I really love this foundation. I don't know, this video might be terrible, but I'm still gonna post it because this is my first video. Thumbnails. You guys, what's tea? Did y'all miss me? I missed y'all. I miss making videos so much. It just really feels good to do something out of the norm, to actually get creative. Like I actually did some eyeshadow today. And I'm not going nowhere, of course, but definitely taking some pictures, definitely doing some TikToks tonight, because somebody got to see me, you know? So yeah guys, so excited, so happy to be back doing videos. I didn't want to like announce that I'm doing a video and then I don't do it, because I've done that in the past and that was just dumb. So excuse me. So yeah, I will see y'all next week. Love y'all. Yeah. And I'll see y'all next time. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and notification bell. Yeah. Bye y'all.